Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to find all the videos you've watched on Facebook by date using a PC. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on Facebook, look at the top right corner of the page. Click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Settings and Privacy, and then click on Activity Log. This is where you can manage and view all your activities on Facebook. In the activity log, locate the section labeled Your Facebook Activity. Under this category, click on Posts. A new set of options will appear. Now, select videos you've watched from the list. This will display all the videos you've watched on Facebook. To organize these videos by date, look at the top of the page and click on Date. A filter menu will appear. Choose the time period you're interested in by selecting specific dates or a range of dates. Once done, click Save Changes to apply the filter. And that's it. You'll now see your watch history neatly organized by the dates you've selected. This feature makes it easy to track your viewing habits or revisit any video you've watched. Thank you for tuning in. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need it. See you next time.